Hey you, I wanted to take advantage of these holidays and wish you to burn your excuses. To wish you to be a fear hacker. Why? Because you know already that I believe you know that without purpose you are lost, that without purpose life is wasted, that without purpose life is not truly living. And I believe you know as well that without conquering our fears, we cannot conquer our purpose. That without conquering our fears, we cannot. And send you this video, recording it while in the airport, flying towards seeing my family and friends that I haven't seen for ages. So, that without conquering your fears, you cannot live your purpose. Why? Because you don't dare. So that is my best wish for you for these holidays and for this 2020, is to be brutally honest and acknowledge that you know what is your purpose, or that you just need a couple of minutes, 5 minutes, maybe 10, to write it down and know it for the rest of your life. And then you may want to write it down again and again and again, or read it again and again and again every day for the rest of your life, so you really focus on that. And your whole body and brain works for that 24/7. And then you will need to conquer your fears, because without conquering them, you know it, and it's the last time I repeat it, maybe, you cannot live your purpose. You will play smaller than you need to play. You will play less than you want to play. You will be less yourself that you want to be and that you need to be, to fully give yourself to this world and to fully let this world give you. So my best wish for you is that you become a fear hacker. And you are invited to join this group where other people are exploring becoming fear hackers. And if you want to give yourself the best gift ever, find a tool and a guidance that you believe is going to get you there, that is going to get you to be so clear about your purpose and so confident that there is absolutely nothing that can stop you, that everything that has been always stopping you, you know how to handle it now. And if you resonate with me, then let me know following one link below. It will be my honor to interview you and make sure we are really a good fit, and if it's going to be an extraordinary investment for you of time and resources, then to work for you for the next 3 to 6 months and make, I don't know if these holidays, if we are going to be on time, but yeah, why not? This call can change your holidays for sure. But definitely make 2020 one of the most epic years of your entire life and the beginning of the rest of your life, where purpose is going to be what you breathe every step of the way, more and more for the rest of your life. I think that's it. I wish you absolutely the best. Follow your gut. Don't follow the voice of anyone, not even my voice. Don't follow the voice of anyone, not even the voice in your head. Follow your gut, follow your heart. And I'll see you again soon, if that's good for you. Love you, bye. And again, if you feel drawn, if you feel called to have me as a support and as a mentor, let me know in one of the links below. And it will be my honor to interview you and to make sure it's a great fit for you and to do that for you. Follow your gut, follow your purpose, conquer your fears, live your purpose. Be a gift for yourself and for this world. Burn your excuses, and I see you in the next video. I love you. So there you go. That was and is Loto Vázquez, the author of the Fearhacking Method. And I hope that video was useful, inspiring, insightful. And if it was and it resonates with you, if it feels right for you, please support this work as much as possible. And you can do that liking it, following the channel, if it's really something that you want more for you. And if you
follow the channel, activate the bell if you want to have the notifications of the next video as soon as they come up. Really, just follow your gut. If this is useful for you, do it. If not, follow your gut anyway. And if you believe this can be useful for other people, and it's aligned with you, share it. Why? Because we do need to share what it's inspiring, so we can live in a more inspired world with more inspired humans around us, with more healthy, self-loving humans, so we can rise this world together. So there you go. If it's aligned with you, if it's right, please support this as much as you can. Much love, and see you super soon in a following video. Bye.